Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Quora.com to grow your affiliate marketing business. So if you're looking to build an affiliate marketing business and you want to, of course, grow it a lot quicker, and you want to promote either your YouTube channel or maybe you have a blog that you're building up, Quora is actually a very great site that you can use to get more traffic to your website or your YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use Quora.com for your YouTube channel or website if you have that. So before I really get into things, if this is the first video you're seeing on this channel, I talk primarily about affiliate marketing, how to really grow a business online, different ways of making money on the internet. So if that is the thing that interests you and you want to learn more, then definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button down below and tick the bell icon next to it to get notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So currently right now I'm on the Quora.com website. That is spelled Quora.com. So it's a fairly well-known website, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you're probably very well familiar with it. It's that question and answer website where they come and ask questions that they are, of course, looking for information on. And then anyone can go sign up to Quora.com and answer those questions. Now, not many people are talking about this, but you could actually use Quora.com to actually promote content that you are putting out there. So if you are building a YouTube channel, I'd say especially a YouTube channel, Quora.com would be a very great site to actually leverage if you're looking to get more eyeballs on your videos or more traffic on your website. Quora.com is a very great platform that you could use, and not many people are actually talking about it, which actually is kind of surprising to me, actually, because I think Quora is a very great, probably one of the best ways to actually promote your content, especially if you are just starting out. Maybe if you are like a smaller channel and you have, like less than 100 subscribers, Quora.com is actually a great way that you could market a lot of your videos and get more viewers on your videos that you're putting up. So I'm going to be showing you how to use Quora.com to, of course, answer questions, and then, of course, how to promote products on Quora.com. So what you could do is, depending on, of course, the niche that you're in, whether it's the make money online niche, maybe you are doing the, health and wellness niche, maybe it's about, relationships, whatever it is that you are creating content on, you could search up questions that people would ideally be looking for inside of Quora.com. And if you can't exactly think of what people would be searching, what you could always do is go to a site like answerthepublic.com. And you could just type in this, search bar right here, whatever your channel is about or whatever your website is about, and then you can get some content ideas. You just enter a little short keyword, and Answer the Public will give you some content ideas, pretty much in seconds. So this will give you some ideas on, what information people are looking for. And actually, to give you a demonstration, like if I type in something like, make money online, and I click on, get questions, it's going to give me a list of different questions that are, of course, being searched up. So if I scroll down a little bit, as you can see, it's currently loading a bit there. But once it loads up, it's going to give pretty much an entire list of things that people are, of course, searching up. Let's see if it loads up quickly. Otherwise, I might end up pausing this just to save some time. Here we go. Okay, so here are a lot of the questions that are, of course, being looked up. So, like for instance, where to make money online, where to make money online in Nigeria, where to make money online for real, what make money online, who earn money online, hobbies that make money online, app that make money online, how to make money online from home. So these are all topics that you could search up into Quora, and you could pretty much, if you are in that niche of the, the make money online niche or anything related to, growing a business online, then you could actually use Answer the Public as a site where you could create content around these different topics that are coming up, and you can pretty much, put out videos or blog posts as well. But once you are, you have a good amount of, videos that you put out over the, the time that you've been on YouTube, or, blog posts, what you could do is you can come over to a site like Quora.com, and then you could search up questions that people would ideally be looking for in your niche. So, something like, for instance, if I type in, make money online, obviously I'm going to be seeing a bunch of questions about, how to make money online. So what I personally like to do is I like to go for questions that are more recent, because, well, for two reasons actually. For one, questions that have been asked, a while ago, they have more answers, which is kind of, more competition. And also, you have to remember that if someone asked a question like, say, like 6 months or a year ago, and they've got a whole bunch of answers, chances are they already kind of have, a good idea of like, what the general answer is. So I personally, when I look up, like a specific topic, like make money online, what I always do is I scroll down a bit more and I go by time. I usually go like past a day. So like within the last 24 hours, I like to look for questions around the phrase make money online that have been asked within the last 24 hours. So here's one right here. What's the most cost-effective proven strategy to make money online? So that's a very good question right there. How can teenagers make money online from home? Which ones are the easiest ways for making money online? Okay, so this first question shows that 4 people have answered it so far. As of these next two, it doesn't show that any of these have answers at all. How can teenagers make money online at home? Which ones are the easiest ways for making money online? I could, scroll down again. Why does consistently not always work when making money online? How do I make money online from Pico worker and earn $100 to $200 daily? That's pretty specific there. If you don't have money to begin with. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of questions that I could pretty much go through and, pretty much kind of look through there. So, like for instance, this one right here, what are some ways to make money, make online money from home? I could just, go to this, one right here. And right here, I could answer this question. So it looks like one person has already answered this. One of the easiest and most effective ways to make money online is blogging, in which some people make hundreds and millions of dollars a year just blogging. So, he kind of elaborates on that. And notice how in this answer that he's giving, he's not, pitching any sort of, affiliate link or anything like that. The big mistake that a lot of people make when they come to a site like Quora.com is what they'll do is they'll go to a site like, clickbank.com, and they'll just recommend, okay, well, here's the answer to your question. They'll kind of write a little bit of something, then they'll say, okay, check out this product here and learn more about, what it has. This will answer your question. Hoping that if they put that answer out there, either this person asking the question or someone else will click on their link and buy the product. Now, the issue with that, and this is actually a mistake that I've made myself when I first went on the site. I actually did do another video tutorial on this, but I chose not to upload it because I realized that it wasn't really the best way of going about it. What I ended up doing was I, found a product on ClickBank. I put that in one of my answers, and then later that same day, I came back to Quora.com and I found that my answer had been removed because it's actually against the Quora policy. So you are not allowed to put in affiliate links, in your answers. So that's something that I would definitely, take caution on. Don't, put in your affiliate links or anything like that. You always want to lead with providing value, and always think of it this way. I mean, like, if you were pitched a link, kind of just like, just kind of out of the blue, would you ideally, buy that product right away anyway? Chances are you probably wouldn't. You want to see more of like what it has to offer. You want to learn more about the actual person that is recommending that to you. You don't want to just be pitched, different opportunities like that. So I always recommend, be genuine, be honest, always take your time to provide a well thought out answer. And if you have some form of content, whether it is a video that you want to share or it's a blog post that, goes more into depth about this, the answer that you're giving, then you could absolutely share that, inside of the answer field here. So you just click on the answer button right here, and then you could take the time to write out an answer to this question. So I'm actually going to pause the video right now, and I'm going to take the next few minutes to write out a thoughtful, detailed answer to this question here. Alrighty, so here is what I wrote. I wrote to the question, hold on, let me see here. The question was, what are some ways to make money from home? This is what I wrote. There are lots of great ways to make money online. I know a few people who make a full-time income online by doing affiliate marketing, where they are recommending products and services to others and getting paid a commission for each time they refer a new customer. There's also the option of becoming a freelancer, where you can pick something you are good at and offer that as a service. For example, you can create logos for websites or YouTube channels, or you could do something like article writing. If you're looking for a work-at-home job where it is more stable, then I do have a video on my YouTube channel where I go over 5 online jobs for introverts that you could check out here. And then right here, I included my link to one of my videos, which is this video I uploaded about like a week or two ago. 5 work-at-home jobs for introverts 2019. I just went to this video that I put up a while back, and I just, came down to the share button. I got my YouTube URL, and I pretty much kind of pasted it right here. And then I said, by the way, I would definitely avoid doing online surveys as you'll be wasting lots of time for peanuts. So that is my response that I'm going to be doing here. And what I'll once you have your response, then you could just come down to this button that says submit. And like I mentioned earlier, I would not recommend putting any affiliate links in this. I don't like put any affiliate links from like ClickBank or anything like that, because 9 times out of 10 your answer is going to get removed from Quora.com, and if you continue doing that, then you could potentially get your account disabled or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend doing, I would definitely avoid putting in any like affiliate links, because it's just not a very genuine way of going about it. I would always lead with, providing with actual value, lead with, providing information that people are actually looking for. And then inside of your YouTube video or your blog post, what you could do is, if you're putting up content regularly, you could have your affiliate links inside of your description, kind of like how I do here. I have my free training, the #1 link there, that if they want to check out my free training, they could do so there. Otherwise, they could check out any other resources that I'm recommending here. So this is really the way that you want to go about that. And what I would highly recommend doing is actually answering questions. Maybe do 2 a day, when you're first starting out. And then as you continue creating more content, then you can continue finding, looking for answers and providing, looking for questions and then providing answers that, your video answers. So that's pretty much the entire strategy there. I'm going to, click on submit. And then from here, that we will then put the question right in there. So it's going to give the experience to, if you want, you could add credentials in here. So you could put like, employment history, education, if it's relevant to, what you are actually talking about there. Like I could put like, the word topic, good credentials are short and, sweet. So like something like, affiliate marketing, veteran or something like that. You could just put that. So you could pretty much kind of put anything in there, something that you are fairly knowledgeable about, something that, when people, they see your name, they see exactly what it is that you have experience with. So it'll then show under your name, like, this person, either went to this college or something, or, they're this level of experience with affiliate marketing. So you could specify what your skill level is here with, something like this, or, whatever topic that you are, passionate about. And then you could, put in your experience, and then this will, of course, help you stand out more. You get a lot more upvotes doing this, but you don't necessarily have to do that when you're first starting out. You could just answer as many questions as you can. And then by doing this consistently, not only does that person who asked the question, not only will they see your answer and see the content that you shared, but anyone else that, finds this answer or finds this question and they look through the different answers, they're going to see your video that you shared as well. So they could check out your YouTube video that you just put up. In my case, it's, 5 work-at-home jobs for introverts 2019. They could watch your video. And remember, Quora is a site that, millions of people are going online.
Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel.
Quora is a site that, millions of people are pretty much going online every single day. They're constantly looking for answers in particular, niches like, affiliate marketing, or how to, make money online, or how to get into better shape. So regardless of the niche that you're, in, then this is a great strategy that you could, use to promote either your YouTube channel or your blog. And altogether, I think it's a very great strategy to use if you're looking to build any sort of, online business, is that you want to be finding people that are asking questions in your niche, and then you want to provide them with helpful, information. You want to provide them with, content that will actually help them and, give them information that they need. But that's really the entire strategy there. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, because it really does help the channel. Drop me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is something that you feel will really help you out. If you're building a YouTube channel and you feel like you could actually find this helpful. Let me know if you plan on actually doing this strategy yourself. I know in my case, I'm definitely going to be doing this, fairly regularly now. This is something that I truly want to start doing, on a daily basis. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, you want to learn how to really do affiliate marketing as, on a full-time basis, and you want to learn how to create passive income for yourself, then the first link in the description will give you access to my free training I put together. That is a 4-day training that goes over the 4 main components you must have in place to really build a long-term business online. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.